Alright, what is going on, guys? It's Noah here with Custom RC Mods. Welcome back to a new video. Today we're out at the park and we have the FT Mini Aero right here, as you can see, with the new SunnySky 2208 2600 motor right here. This is one of the X series motors. That's really a nice quality motor. Comes with an X mount that's super solid and a bolt-on prop adapter, which is a nice luxury feature just in case you have any durability issues down the road. So I'm really excited to test this out. We're running the GemFan 5152 high-speed race quad prop on here counterclockwise. We also have a micro FPV camera that we're going to be using to shoot from. Let's see, right here. So it's obviously, I'm not going to be flying with it because it's facing backwards, but hopefully it'll provide some at least half decent onboard footage for you guys during this flight. Anyway, we're recording on the DVR and we're recording obviously on here, so let's do a little bit of center of gravity, make sure that we're all good to go. I think we're right about where we want it, but since this motor is a little bit bigger than the 2207 I was running earlier, I'm gonna go ahead and shift it forward. I'm also running a 40 amp ESC on here, but I think it's time to give it a shot. It's not too much powerful than the 2207 system, but it has, this, remember, is a smaller prop, so we're gonna prop it up after this flight. It definitely has a little bit more clip to it for sure, but and it's been raining pretty much for the past 2 days straight, so this field is completely waterlogged, meaning that hand catching is basically my only option at this point. So we're gonna have to see how that works. Looks like we need some trim on here, which is unusual because I've been flying this airplane for a little bit. Got a slight amount of wind coming from the left here, which is the west. I don't know what's up with that. That might be a sub trim issue. That was a brownout right there. I don't know what went wrong with that, but it's pretty unfortunate. Anyway, let's go ahead and check out. I don't think there's gonna be that much damage on here, but guess we'll find out, won't we? Alright, so we lost our FPV camera, but I'm gonna go ahead and look for that. Looks like it's just dented in a little bit. We're gonna need to switch out the receiver in here for sure. I was having some control issues, as well as might have to clean off my battery a little bit. But other than that, this thing is a really durable plane right here. You guys saw that crash. It was not ideal. But yeah, that's it for this video, I guess. I mean, it did fly, and it flew pretty well for the most part. Might have to redo this stabilizer out here. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.